Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at seeds we started mid-February here in Zone 6B, Kansas, and in the later part of this video we will show an update on their germination. Most of these seeds were started indoors in flat trays, and we will transplant these seedlings as soon as they are of reasonable size. We will also show an update on seeds we started in early February. This video is pretty self-explanatory, so we will let you enjoy it and add our commentary only where necessary. We put the tray inside a ziplock for first couple of days to kickstart seed germination. As soon as we got germination on these seeds, we moved them onto our unheated garage where we have a shop light setup. Nothing fancy. We just keep them there and we keep the light on for nearly 11.5 hours every day. A note on peas and fava beans. Once they are soaked overnight, we put them in paper towel inside a ziplock and place them on top of our kitchen cabinets, where it's usually warmer than the countertops. But we need to check them every day till germination because they are very prone to rot when started using ziplock method. It is better to keep the ziplock open instead of zipping it. For updates, first we will look at the peppers, leeks, and onion seeds we started in early February. We will add a link here to that seed starting video. If you're finding any value in this video so far, please do boop the like button to help our channel grow. We will post another of this video of the seeds that we will start this coming week. So please do subscribe to our channel to get a notification when we add a new video to the series. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching.